In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the apps or integration settings in Otter.ai. To get started, open your Chrome browser and go to the Otter.ai web platform dashboard. Make sure you are signed into your account so you can access the full settings menu. Once the dashboard has fully loaded, take a moment to orient yourself on the screen. You want to be on the main web platform, not inside a separate browser tab for help articles or external documentation. From the dashboard, look for your profile menu icon. This is usually located in the upper area of the page and gives you access to your personal account options. Click on that profile icon to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Account Settings and select it. This will take you to the section where your personal preferences, account details, and connected features are managed. After the account settings page opens, the next step is to navigate directly to the Apps or Integration Settings tab. Depending on the current layout of the platform, this may appear as a tab along the top of the settings page or as an option in a sidebar menu. Look carefully for a label such as apps, integrations, or something similar that refers to connected tools and external services. Once you find it, click to open that section. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait briefly until the content appears fully. This area is typically where you can review available integrations, manage connected apps, or prepare to link Otter.ai with other platforms. If you do not immediately see the tab, try expanding the settings menu or scrolling within the settings page, since some layouts hide additional options depending on screen size, and that's it. You've successfully opened the apps or integration settings area inside the Otter.ai web platform. From here, you can continue with whatever integration related task you need to complete. As a quick tip, if you are following along on a smaller screen, maximizing your browser window can make navigation easier and help reveal menu items that may otherwise be collapsed.